try it again. Is it recording? Let's shut it off. Right now I'm going to throw him and it better work. Okay, today I'm gonna slide Pee-wee #1 with the little movie camera. I taped it on there and I hope I don't lose it. Okay, so I have the little tiny camera on Pee-wee. Okay, I gotta turn it on. It wants to record. Okay, now it's recording. Okay. Please, I hope he lifts off. No good. Alright, I'm gonna have to throw him. I don't know, the camera might be too heavy. Alright, let's try it again. Right now I'm gonna throw him and it better work. No good. Alright, so Pee-wee's bottom compartment where the battery goes in opened up, so I had to tape it up. So I'm going to try it again. I'm going to try fly Pee-wee with this little camera. Turn turning the camera on. It's recording. Let's try it again. No good. Alright, I guess it doesn't work.